TOEFL Practice 1. Structure and written expression questions. 2 questions with answer explanations. Answer each question in 37.5 seconds. Direction for question 1. This question is an incomplete sentence. Beneath the sentence you will see 4 words or phrases, marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Question 1. Direction for question 2. This question has 4 underlined words or phrases. The 4 underlined parts of the sentence are marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed for the sentence to be correct. Question 2. Answer 1. A noun clause is a dependent clause that functions as a noun within a sentence. It often begins with a WH word, e.g., how, what, when, why, or a subordinating conjunction like that. In noun clauses, the word order should follow the statement format, subject plus verb, not the question format, verb plus subject. This is why how speech began is the correct answer. Answer 2. No longer is a standard phrase used to indicate that something has stopped happening or is not true anymore. It means not anymore or no more. The intended meaning is that modern productions are no longer constrained by old traditions. The phrase no longer is correct because it conveys that the restriction or inhibition does not exist anymore. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.